So we're upstairs now. I'm looking out the window, and gosh, can you see all that? That's all water. You know, we got a nice big puddle over there, the shed and the garden. Well, the brick patio is underwater. I got a pretty good sized puddle going back there in the backyard, and if you look real close, you might be able to see my French drain seems to be saturated or backing up or something, because I see standing water there underneath the deck, and well, that shouldn't be standing there. But if you also look, you can see the creek is really getting up there. But it's kind of relaxing and peaceful too. Zoom in on that creek there. Just about to the back fence, you know. I'm curious how my emitter's doing back there. Can't really see much of it behind the fence, but I would imagine there's a pretty good stream of water coming out of it based on the backup I'm still seeing in the yard. It's quite a bit heavier, a lot longer rain than we usually get. That's why we're seeing so much pooling, I think.